Hi, I'm Charmed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am currently a program administrator, and on my channel, I will be posting videos about food, beauty, lifestyle, inspiration, and many, many more. Every single Tuesday and Friday. You will be inspired one video at a time. Be sure to subscribe for my new content and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss my uploads. Remember to comment down below to introduce yourself. I'm looking forward to having you on this journey with me. Meet you on the inside. Thanks for being a part of the Inspiring Charm family. So my beautiful people, today I'm going to be showing you another favorite that we have at Easter time, and that is the Jamaican Bammy. And this is made from cassava. For those of you who don't know cassava, Bammies are made from Jamaican cassava or from cassava found in the African countries. Now, I'm going to show you how to get the perfect tasting Bammy. Alright, stay tuned. So to get my Bammies starting, guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be adding half box of milk to my pot, and I'm going to allow that to come to a quick boil. So I'm using 3%. You can also use 2% milk. You can use coconut milk. You can mix your condensed milk with water and warm that up. So I'm going to allow this to come to a boil. You have to watch your milk because you do not want it to boil over into the flames. So as soon as this comes to a boil, I'm going to pour it on my Bammy. My milk is getting ready there. I'm going to go ahead and prepare my Bammies. So I have chosen to use a baking tray. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up my Bammies. I'm going to place them in the tray. So you want to ensure that you have a container that is wide enough that the Bammies can go into. So now when I pour my milk in there, it will give me enough space to flip them over so that they will absorb more of that milk. Alright guys, so I'm waiting. So my milk has come to a boil, and I'll take it off and I'm going to pour it over my Bammy. I've came to the realization that my Bammies weren't going to work in this one container. So what I am going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take one from this container and place it in another, and then I will finish adding the milk to that. Alright guys, so you want to add enough milk in there so that the Bammy is halfway covered and it will absorb all of that goodness. So guys, you're going to leave your Bammies in this liquid or in the milk until it absorbs most, if not all of the milk. You can leave it overnight, or you can leave it for at least 2 to 3 hours in the milk. But guys, my Bammies have been soaking for 4 hours now, and if you notice that it has absorbed most, if not most of the liquid, the milk. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to strain off what is left and go ahead and slice my Bammies into smaller pieces. Another great video that you can check out is my fufu recipe that I use cassava to make. So guys, I'm going to go in with a knife now, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it just like that. You cut them to your own liking, guys. So now guys, I'm going to go ahead and prep my frying pan to fry my Bammies. And we normally have this at Easter time with fish, but it's a meal that you can have any time of the year. So in my frying pan, and I'm gonna do some melted butter to get my bammies going. So guys, for this, you want to ensure that your frying pan is dry and you're gonna use butter to fry your bammy. That's the best, and that's what I like. Now you do not want your fire or your flame to be too high, so you can do medium heat. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in there. So let me cut this. I'm going to ensure that I spread that over the bottom of the pot to give it a nice coating. So once it is coated to your liking, guys, you can start adding your bammies to this. And the reason why we soak our bammies is to ensure that they're easier to absorb the heat, so that the heat can penetrate them. You're gonna allow this to fry slowly. That's how you're gonna get the nice flavor that you need. So don't worry about it not frying up and kicking up a storm. If you realize that too much butter is in there, you can also remove your butter and replace it when the pan becomes dry. So you don't want to do it on high flame. You're gonna do each side until it's golden brown. So guys, I'm gonna go in now and I'm gonna turn my bammies. You can see them start getting soft already. Yeah. So remember, you can always go ahead and add more butter once the need arises. Alright. I'm gonna put a few more pieces in there now. So I'm gonna do this for all of the bammies and come back and show you the finished product. So come. As you can see, guys, I've gone ahead and I've taken out the first set of my bammies. Now I'm frying the second set for you. I'll come back and show you when all my bammies are ready. Look how soft and pliable this piece is. That's why we soak it in the milk, guys. Fry it with butter. So there you have it, guys, my bammy. Yep. So my lovely people, this is my Jamaican bammy done up for you, and I've split open one for you to let you see how soft they are and pliable. Woo, guys. Remember to like, share, leave a comment down below. Tell me how you prepare your cassava, whether you make bammy, fufu, whatever you do, and share that with me. It tastes so good. Bye for now. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm.